In this session, we would be starting off with a new chapter, and the next chapter that we would be starting is the single entry system. When we studied the first chapter, when we got introduced to accounting and accounting systems, we saw that there are two accounting systems. You have double entry system, what we had studied until the previous session, and then we have single entry system. We saw that every transaction has got two effects. Whenever you think of any transaction in a firm, whenever you think about any transaction in a business, it always has got two effects. And in double entry system, what happens is both the effects of the transaction get recognized. In single entry system, what happens is only one effect gets recognized. So um, whenever you pick up any transaction, there are always uh, two effects which are involved. So let's think of an example. Let's say you decide to buy a brand new bike. You went to the showroom, you picked up a new bike, and then you came back home. So what was the transaction over here? The transaction was purchase of bike. Now, this transaction has got two effects. The first effect is that you had to pay the cash to purchase the bike. You had to pay the amount of money that was needed to purchase the bike. Second was that you've you've got the ownership to a brand new bike right now. Okay, now that you have purchased the bike and you've got the asset in your name. So that is the second effect. So the first effect was that you were forced to pay the money. The second effect was that you had to purchase the you got the asset in your name. So one transaction, and then there are two effects which are involved. So single entry system recognizes only one effect. Both the effects are not recognized. Instead, in single entry system, what happens is only one effect of the transaction is getting recognized. That is called as single entry system. Moving on, when we talk about let's talk a little bit more about single entry system right now. So, single entry system is one of the types of the accounting systems that we have today. Okay. We know that there are two types of accounting system: double entry, single entry, and single entry is one of those accounting systems. What the unique aspect about single entry system is that only one effect of the transaction is recognized. Only one effect of the transaction is getting captured. That is called as single entry system. Okay, that is called as single entry system. So single entry system, what happens over here is that only one effect of the transaction is getting recognized. So that is what is referred to as single entry system. Further to this, what you have to understand is that single entry system is an incomplete system of accounting. Further to this, what you have to recognize is that it is an incomplete system, and the reason why it is an incomplete system is because it is uh, it is recognizing only one effect of the transaction. Only one effect of the transaction is getting captured, and that's the reason why it is said to be an incomplete system of accounting. Next thing is that it is unscientific in nature. Why do we say that a single entry system is unscientific in nature? It is said to be unscientific in nature because here only one part of the transaction is getting captured. So we know that there are two effects, and since it is recognizing only one effect, that's the reason why it is said to be unscientific in nature. It's just like how a coin has got two faces. If you pick up any coin, it has got a head side and then it has got a tail side. So single entry system is something like that. It is incomplete. It is not full in nature. That's the reason why it is said to be an unscientific system of accounting. Then who would end up using this? Uh, Single entry system is used by firms which are small in size. Okay? So firms which are small scale firms or small time businesses, they are the ones who will be using single entry system. So firms like sole proprietor, um, maybe companies who cannot afford to have a full-time accountant, they are the ones who would be using single entry system. Now, the best part about single entry system is that it does not require a qualified accountant. It does not need a full-time accountant. That is why that is one of the unique aspects about single entry system. So single entry system, it is a type of accounting system. It needs it recognizes only one effect, is unscientific in nature, it is a small scale firm, and it does not require a qualified